Parameter settings after circuit board replacement. Open the front cover. Press both side buttons to enter the password interface. Press the up-down arrows to change the digits. Press the left button to shift the cursor. Enter the password 15041. Press the rightmost button to enter the menu. Use up, down arrows to locate pipe diameter. Current value is 50. Check the label. The actual pipe diameter is DN25. Therefore, set the pipe diameter to DN25 in the menu. Press the rightmost button to select. Use up-down arrows to adjust the diameter value. Adjust the value to match the label. Press the rightmost button to confirm. Next, we will set the sensor factor. Use up, down arrows to find sensor factor. The sensor factor can be found on the device label. The factor is 0.9305. Current value is 0.001. Press the rightmost button to select sensor factor. Press the leftmost button to shift the cursor. Press the up-down arrows to change the digits. Adjust the value to match the label. Press the rightmost button. To confirm, press both leftmost and rightmost buttons. To exit, configuration complete.